Alright guys, I took the Zino out here for a little quickie. Hold on, let me bring it down here. I'm holding the controller in one hand and the phone in the other, because I don't have my hat cam on. Hold on. Alright, so I brought it out here for a flight at this abandoned, what the hell is this thing? It's a golf course. It's an abandoned country club. That old Japanese guy had some dogs. They wanted to eat me, them little suckers. Anyway, I took the Zino out. Now, when I took it out the other day after that update, I lost the bind after 1,300 feet. Okay, but that was because I was, I think, behind that building, you know, that big steel building right there, that old steel factory. Okay, so here, a little bit more open. There's no steel buildings, but there's trees, you know, because this is an old golf course. It's just starting to be overgrown now. But this is where I'm standing is the carts, where the carts would go. It lost the bind at 1,780 feet. So I guess with the new firmware, I guess maybe it's not going out as far as it did. I don't know. I'd have to go back and watch something from Marcus or from that other guy. I think they were taking it out further than that, and this is a pretty clean shot. I had it a couple of 100 feet up, 210 feet up, I think, going out. So I'm sure, you know, I was able to catch the radio transmission pretty clearly. So yeah, that's as far as I made it, like 1,780. So yeah, and then it lost the thing. So yeah, it's all good. But 1,780, that's as far as it went. But it flew great, no problems. All right guys, talk to you later.